Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove a WhatsApp backup from your Google Drive folder or your Google Drive account rather. So let's get right into it. Once you're in Google Drive, as you can see, I am on my PC on my Google Drive right now. You want to navigate to your settings in the top right, which is this gear icon. Click on that, then go into settings and then click on manage apps. As you can see, you have a list of all your apps and you can connect more apps if you want. But if I scroll all the way down, I have WhatsApp Manager or WhatsApp Messenger. This is where the backup is located. If I click options, I have the option to disconnect it from Drive and nothing else. But let's say I wanted to actually remove it, just click on that and click disconnect from Drive. And as you can see, it'll also delete hidden app data created by this app, and it'll be completely disconnected from the drive, and your backup will be pretty much deleted. And that is what you want to do. Just click disconnect and continue, and that's pretty much it. But I won't be doing that since I want to keep that backup, and that's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.